In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Shein Save for Later feature. So let's get straight into the video. So the Shein Save for Later feature, also known as the wish list, lets you move items from your cart without deleting them, and it clears your cart for immediate checkout while keeping a save list for future shopping. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Shein application, go to your cart section, and then look for the products that you want to get rid of at the moment but still have it saved. What you can do is simply go ahead and select all the products that you want to have it saved and click on the top right triple dot icon and click on wish list. Now what this will do is it will simply go ahead and take you to wish list, and it will move all of these in your wish list as well. Or you could also simply go ahead and select the individual product, and what you can do is simply go ahead and open it. So let me just go ahead and do that. So for example, all right, I have opened it. Now, what you want to do is scroll all the way down until you find the wish list section. Now, on this page, all you want to do is click on the bottom left heart icon right over here. Now, that will simply go ahead and add it to your wish list. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.